Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, 17 Air. Doesn't matter which 17 you have. This will work. I'll show you actually two ways. The first way is two settings up. Go to Settings, scroll down, and find the display brightness. And here on the top page you got the dark. So tap on the dog, and that's it. It will turn your iPhone into dog mode. And the other option is actually the automatic. You can just tap it on. And if you go to options, you got two options. You got sunset to sunrise, and you got custom shadows. You can just have your own shadows as well. And that's the first way. The second way is if you use it a lot, if you want to have control over it, and you don't want to go to settings all the time, is to the control center. In here, you will see the dark mode icon. If you don't see it, just press and hold, like let me remove it and add it back. So tap on Edit Control, and here you have the dark mode. Tap on it, and Eco. Now you have the option. Just swipe down, tap on it. Now the Start Dark Mode. And again, so up, down, tap on it. Now the Slide Mode. So that's it. That's how you can enable dog mode on your iPhone 17. And also, see you and subscribe and like. And that's it. Please like, subscribe.
And
That's it.